Did you know that caterpillars turn into butterflies? Do you want to help reveal a tiny story? The caterpillar, the chrysalis, the butterfly. Place the cards in the correct order. Amazing job! A butterfly lays an egg, and a caterpillar hatches out of it. The caterpillar hangs upside down in a chrysalis, where it changes inside. After 2 weeks, the caterpillar becomes a beautiful butterfly with symmetrical wings. Wow! You revealed the story of how a caterpillar turns into a butterfly. The caterpillar eats. The chrysalis. The transforming chrysalis. The butterfly. Place the cards in the correct order. Good job! The caterpillar eats lots of leaves and grows quickly. The caterpillar hangs upside down in a chrysalis. The caterpillar changes lots through something special called metamorphosis. It becomes a butterfly, ready to fly and drink nectar from flowers. You are an amazing story builder!